Hi, I am your coach Jack. In this video, I am going to explain how you can create your first customer and add multiple projects. Let's open the Client and Project Setup application located in the Timesheet module. You do not get any pre-configured customers, so let's create our first customer by pressing Add button. Customer ID needs to be defined as a starting point. This could be any alphanumeric value but has to be a unique identification of the customer. After giving the customer's name, you can select country and city respectively. The only mandatory fields in this section are customer ID and name, so you can start with the minimal information and update the rest of the fields later as per your convenience. After updating basic customer details, let's press the next button. At this stage, you can define customer email address, contact phone number, and billing address. You can also update tax registration number and select registration type from a drop-down list. If you have internal projects, then you will be required to create one internal customer, and then you can add multiple internal projects under that. We will be able to add projects of this customer in the next stage. When you press Add button, the system opens another pop-up window where we can start setting up the project. Enter a unique project ID, which is a mandatory field. Next is the estimated revenue expected from this project. You can input value as applicable or leave blank if you wish to keep this confidential. The project name is again a mandatory field, so you are required to input the project name. My project name in this case is Timesheet Data Migration. You need to also select the project type from a drop-down list provided. You can add more project types in the drop-down setup in case needed. Since we do not have any employees created in the system yet, so we will leave the project manager for now and set up later. Reference code as an integration point with your payroll or accounting system. This could be the project number or code maintained in the target system. You need to select billable yes if this is a billable project, but if this is an internal project, then select no. Project start date is another mandatory field, but this is not the case with the end date. You can leave the end date field blank if this project does not have any fixed end date. The project start date can be modified at a later stage if there is any change in the project schedule. Leaving project end date blank means it is an open-ended project, but in this scenario, I have a project end date, so I need to select the project end date. I can press the OK button to complete my new project setup. My project is added here, and I can continue to add if I have more projects with this customer by simply pressing the Add button again. This is my second project with this client, and I am going to update all the required details. Customer and project have parent-child relationship in this application, so you can define multiple projects under a customer. The active projects are populated in the timesheet system and also in the HRIS system to select the home project of an employee. The estimated value of this project is $60,000, and the objective of this project is to provide data quality assessment services to the client, and therefore, I am giving the project name as Existing Data Quality Check. Project type is again selected as Time and Material. I am also updating the project reference code. This project is due to start on the 1st of December 2021 and is scheduled to end on the 30th of December 2021. I am done with the details, so let me press OK button to complete. I have added both my projects successfully. You are required to press the Save button once you are done. This is all we have in this video. Thanks for attending this session.